Hello, hello, hello. Thank you for stopping by my channel, Beth Hardin Healing. I'm Beth Hardin. Today I wanted to simply teach you what breathwork meditation for all levels is about. So breathing meditation, breathwork meditation. People ask me, what is breathwork? What is meditation? Is there a difference? And the difference is no. Simply no. So where can you just take a breath somewhere in your body? Inhale, exhale. So as I'm talking, I want you to breathe. Why do we breathe? Well, we breathe for life. You wouldn't be sustaining your life and going about your day without your breath. We don't even usually think about it, or we usually put it up into our higher body. So right now, I want you to take a breath into your lower body, your legs, your feet, your hips, somewhere into your belly. Exhale maybe out your low back. Keep going. Inhale. Exhale. So we breathe to go gather those contractions. We exhale to let them go. We inhale, we go gather all the places that don't feel good inside of our body. And then we exhale them out. So where do we go? Where do we let them go? So you can let them go to the earth. You can let them go to the sky. You can let them go to Spirit, Creator, your Maker, whoever your higher self is. I'm not attached, neutral. So we're all seeking love. Love, 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 love. All we need is love, right? So we inhale, connect to love. Exhale out every place that just didn't feel like love. Inhale, go gather any place that doesn't feel at ease in your body. And then exhale out, creating more ease. So again, we gather the contraction. We exhale it out so that we can have more expansion. So you can do this sitting up. You can do this lying down. I'll lie down next to Mr. Ed. Inhale, belly. Inhale, heart. Exhale, old thought form. Inhale, any place you weren't feeling enough. Bring it up through your heart. And then exhale it out. Let's end by breathing in love. Inhale more love. And then exhale out. Connecting to love. Love, love, love. It's all around you. Just ask. Just ask. Just ask. So thank you for coming here today. I'm gonna have more videos. I'd love to hear how I can help you. How I can help you, please leave a comment below. I'll leave a link below to my website if you don't feel comfortable leaving a comment. I know we have a lot of traumas and we have a lot of stories. Mr. Ed came with a story that he was abandoned and asked for help. So we all come with stories. I was abandoned. I have trauma stories. I have a lot of things in my life that I believe in turning your trauma into triumph. And I want to help all of the places in my old story help you. So we simply go breathe up all those lies of our story. We collect them and connect them to our higher self, remembering that we're not alone and that we are fully supported. If you don't remember that, I'm here to remind you that you are the light, you are love, you are beauty, you are joy. I love you. I send you a hug virtually. I send love virtually. You are not alone.